Hey, what's up guys? So I came back to this store. A few of you said in the video I missed this, which I did. But if you don't know how to check for these, see the numbers on the cars, and then you'll see the number here. So I think 12 means that this is 12 after the dash. So I'm gonna go through this. I'm only looking for the wagon, the Mustang, the Mazda, and the Caddy. All the other ones are okay. Possibly number 11 too, I'll be looking for. Which it's the Cruiser. But, so you don't have to hear the rattling. We'll go through it and show you what I get at the end. There's 2 boxes. Alright, so I went through both boxes. Some of these have the glow ones in them. I was able to find one. What is it? Volkswagen Caddy, at least. So, that's the number 5 right there. Number 5. And then, take a look, man. And someone in the video was asking, like, is it better to come at night or in the day? I mean, as long as you walk, you walk the store the day before, and you kind of get an idea of what you got to do the next day. There's no set, like, time or anything, But the morning worked out for me. So yeah. Yeah, I didn't get a real good close-up look at these yesterday. I don't think so. Now that we got them all here, the plate is XXX. That's funny. But which one was we missing yesterday? Oh yeah, this is it, the 96 Nissan. And there is 2 of them. Man, that thing looks pretty nice. Just imagine what a wheel swap would look like. Oh yeah, and I called this one a Toyota BRZ, but I guess it's a Subaru. It looks the same thing though. Kind of look like a Toyota to me, but it's a Subaru BRZ. So whoops, Pandem Subaru BRZ. Yeah, it's hard to pick a favorite. Another cool thing here, you guys seen this on the other video we made, the little Nissan. And the Mercedes. So yeah, Sam already told me he found these ones already. He went to a Walmart too today. So looks like I'm only gonna take the Caddy, the Volkswagen Caddy. I think it's a Zamac too. Yeah, Zamac, different color wheels. Only got one. So hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, be on the lookout for these Series 3. That's what the box looks like.